Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Bitcoin for today and altcoins. We are going to see many things about them. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. The third tier has only one spot left. Money guarantee back if you do not make more everyday trading, scalping strategy, one-to-one videos and personal guidance, educational videos and market updates. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start with Bitcoin against USDT chart. Right now we are seeing 22.6 to 22.7k. We corrected as we talked about. Right now we are at the lows that we were back here, for example, on Tuesday 24 January and on Monday 30 January as well. You can see that Bitcoin is struggling with the lower time frame. Someone messaged me and commented actually on YouTube that this would be a hidden bullish RSI divergence. It is not okay. It is not the case that we have anything like that now. In the shorter time frames, we are still bearish until the RSI goes beyond the 30s. Right here, I think that Bitcoin should be meeting the next gun fund support level. Right now, I have squared the chart from this bottom to this top right here that we are right now, and these are some support level gun funds. You can see that we are way below the 1-2, okay, support line. It was the resistance level back here as well. And we are holding for the time being the 20-day exponential moving average, this yellow line, suggesting that we should be going to the 1-1 gun fund line. We should be going down. If we go, for example, by the next few days, we should be going down to 21 to 21.2k and so on. All right. So therefore, I'm going to draw the Fibonacci retracement again from the bottom to the top. We can see that for me personally, one of the most important support levels is the 21.8k. If we see the connection between the 1-1 and the 0.236 Fibonacci, we will get it on Friday, 24 February, but I think that it is going to go there sooner. So I'm not trusting this connection right now. The case with Bitcoin is that it is struggling to go down, right? You can see how strong it is, right? Going sideways. It doesn't want to simply just crash down. We had a minor correction of around -2% in the 4-hour frame, but that's all. It is not in a form of a crash. I would expect, to be honest with you, a very quicker correction for Bitcoin. However, right now we are seeing that the stochastic RSI is going into an oversold situation, but we do not have any oversold situation with Bitcoin yet. And usually these kind of formations right there in the 9-hour frame, the continuous bearish RSI divergences bring further huge correction in form of a crash, right? It is going on in form of a crash. Right now you can see in multiple time frames we are not bullish, we are bearish, and we should keep being bearish. In the very lower time frames, we have the commodity channel index in an oversold, right? But we haven't made any bullish RSI divergence. To be honest with you personally, if right here, right where we saw the low and the green candlestick, we would see a bullish RSI divergence, I would tell you that the chances of having an outburst and instead of correction, we have a burst out to above the 24k would be significant. However, right now we do not see any bullish RSI divergences. We see the commodity channel index oversold situation, but that is not enough for now. As for Ethereum against USDT chart right here, I'm going into the Binance and you can see that it is holding pretty well, pretty good stuff from Ethereum, but at the end of the day, it is going to follow the Bitcoin trend. Right now, you can see that we are having almost like a double top pattern. Ethereum is going to be stronger. I told you about that. My opinion is that Ethereum is going to be stronger into this correction that Bitcoin, might be having. Okay, but at the end of the day, I think that Ethereum is going to fall down if Bitcoin goes down as well, and therefore many other altcoins in the ecosystem. ADA does not look good, for example, and many other altcoins are ready for a nice correction. Now, will this correction be something huge? Like, we do not expect something that is going to bring down the market to below 1k, for example, Ethereum and so on. No, okay. You had your chance back here when Ethereum was below the 1k to buy. Right now, it is very important to know that this could not be. I think that this won't be something very, very bearish. Okay, I think that we are going to have a correction, yeah, for sure, but for the time being, to me personally, I do not think that we are going to follow a very huge lower low, lower high pattern that will bring us in the weekly frame down. Okay, in the weekly frame, we are going to pop up. We will see right here that we have a bearish pennant or a neutral triangle. In our case, it looks like it was a neutral triangle, but a fake out. This is the only problem right here for Ethereum and therefore for altcoins, that this could be a fake out, a slow fake out towards a bearish pennant. This could bring massive correction, right? If this happens, it will be very bearish, but for now, we do not have any data to see that we are going to have a very huge bearish time for Ethereum, but the correction, I think, for me is going to happen. If we can hold the 20-day MA and explode again, this is going to mean that we are on an impulsive wave in the daily frame, and therefore the bull cycle has officially started a lot sooner than we were expecting. But for me personally, the bullish cycle is, for altcoins at least, is going to happen towards May, April, May, June 2023, around there. For Bitcoin, you can see that we have the same things right there. I'm expecting correction. This doesn't look good, right? Even the 4-hour frame right here looks bearish. We find rejection at the previous high, at the previous low, sorry, back here. This is our rejection line. Okay, this is usually a kind of bearish situation to be with, and yeah, I'm expecting further correction. I do not expect that we are going to hold the 20-day MA for Bitcoin. I'm expecting that Bitcoin is going to drop down towards the 21.7k, and we will see after what we are going to do. In the meantime, please be careful with many short-term trades that you have with long positions. Okay, if you have any long positions, you need to put a tight stop loss. If you believe this altcoin will crazily pump, just put a tight stop loss. If you have short positions, it is going to benefit you more. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Third Tier has only one spot left. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.